Okay, so we got Jeremy, Justin, Brandon, Sam, and Reed. For Eclipse Airsoft.
Yeah.
All right, everybody ready? Three, two, one.
Eclipse Airsoft.
We got some Eclipse Airsoft. I got out like the first thing, so I'm recording. Justin got me out, that scumbag. Got Sam at white. Justin's right here. Sam, Reed's in the back, sniping. Move back over to this side. Sorry. Pressing fire. Yeah. Got Justin with this Colt M4. Oh, Sam's still playing. Brendan's out. He's out. This game. Look at Sam's camera mount. And there's Justin. He got me out, scumbag.
I'm not allowed to shoot them until they get to a bunker, right?
Yeah.
Are they at Zulu?
Let me check. I'm pretty sure one of them is. One guy's at Zulu, yeah.
Okay. Oh. Oh. One's at the big. The middle one. One's at Alpha. Guys, cover Alpha. Guys, one's at Alpha, one's at Sniper. Jeremy, you still in? Cover Alpha. Hit.
Sam's hit.
Okay, it's recording 1 second. Wait.
Alright, everybody ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1, it's on! He's at Delta. Vincenzo, are you hit? What? Is Vincenzo? Cause I don't know if it was him who said it. Is anybody at white? Is anybody at white?
No, they're Tommy and Delta.
Okay. I don't think they're at Delta anymore. What? Hit! Hit! God damn! Fuck.
Behind white, behind white. White. I poked my head for 1 second. Whoever shot me got me like twice in the ankle in the same spot. Shot me dead in the face.
I'm bleeding.
Good. Oh. Dude, Jeremy shot you probably.
Yeah, like 18 times. He just kept on spraying me.
I shot spraying you. Only to move the things.
Light him up. I was like, he shoots me, I'm like, ah, and he just keeps on spraying me in the stomach.